Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to verify your email address on Twitch. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to verify your email address on Twitch, you just simply have to open your Twitch application at very first. Then after opening the Twitch application, you will get to see so many options into here. Now you just simply have to select your profile icon and go to account settings. After going into account settings, you will get to see the security and privacy option in here. Just simply tap into security and privacy and you will get to see the email address into top and unverified text besides that. Just simply tap into email address and then tap to verify email. Now, it will send a verification code into your email address that you have provided to Twitch. Just simply find that verification code and enter it into this box. And after doing that, just simply tap to submit button, and after that your email will successfully be verified. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.